Asodogu, yes. The real Asodogu. Not the Asodogus with the abroad now, such as the Nagadu and Nagadu one. I'm going to Asodogu here, no Buddha, near Lego. Oborin a job 247. Ne job out of him on a moto. Yamoto job, but then Yamota anota. It's an ebo Asodogu, no nebo Calesia. Kagana, a better tide. Never gonna can a Calesia one. If you're Calesia, if you're Odogu or even your Odogu or Asodogu or whatever, Igano Nigeria. In this Tinubu regime, ne Lego. Without following it. That's the main deal. That's the real one you're doing. Not some way, no, like bam, not such a speak. The ocean. I'm at work. Sorry, I'm at work. Sorry, I'm going to work. Sorry, I'm driving to work. Sorry, I'm coming back from work. You would draw away. I saw the one I all 247. I saw one I saw the one I rolled. Because me personally, by next year, I'm resuming my business. Okay?
When I told a lot of our men to stay away from a prostitute, you guys did not listen to me. Imagine what a prostitute is saying. Somebody that have not stepped out of Nigeria, all she does was to go from one hotel to another. Luckily, she was picked that very night that she wanted to go with another man, and Jpac paid her off to refund the other man the money. Now you have the audacity, you have the temerity to say, now let me tell you, I have accepted it with my full chest. There is labor, there is dignity in labor. That's one thing I want you to know. I know you lied to Jpac, you deceived to him that you used to work. Now there is no job. You're saying you are tired of 9 to 5. You never worked. You are just a harlot. You are just a shower who based on going from one club to another. Where did you meet Jpac? Where did Jpac pick you up from the first night that he slept with you? One night stand that turned to be a married woman. You should thank your God. But you having mouth to talk about people like us that do work diligently, that do work, that pay our bills. You have the temerity to say, point of correction, I'm a nurse, but it's okay. I am standing on behalf of those that make cleanation. I am standing on behalf of those that work so hard to put food on the table. After all, cleanation over there with the first step to step into your next level. It's quite unfortunate that you have nothing to offer. Just that the only thing you have to offer is all okay. From one corner to another. A lady like you that was rented before your wedding. 5 days, 2 million. You know, it's good that when I keep saying it, people didn't believe me. I just wanted to add what you said so people will hear it from their ears. I didn't ask you to come and pull lunch, but we that are in abroad, it pays our bill. It put food on a table. There is nobody to pay you for prostitution in this country. And when you okay, that place is say come back to Nigeria, bad regime. When they you job we are not in bad regime. We are in a country where women are responsible. In the morning you get up, you go and walk. In the morning at night you come back, depending on your schedule. I am proud to every woman that go out there and work without using her private part to pay any bills. That is why now when they be in America, because there is no room for prostitution. There is no room to waste your time. All we do here is labor. We do it. That is why citizenship and them mother give where I get with honor.
Who be that fine lady where they VIP all alone they observe? She just say on one bottle water, she dey press her iPhone 13. One as a man don't send the boy, make you go tell the lady, say heavy Pablo once here. The lady no even cough. We see the watch. Pablo say, waiter, bring me a casket of Hennessy. I want me that broke here when they ignore my call. Understand?
Jpac, Apiaramwe, Apiagomi. The chats, the communication, we made us Apiagomi. I can call Jpac. She told me everything. I have Chinaza. Chinaza is her name. You can't hide anything. I Patridon, Apianam your wife. The evidence, I have everything. Both the hotel, togetherness and everything. But the truth be told, I started body naked because she was too obvious and observant. Jpac public Apiagomi your wife hands down. You know, feet. I'm going to hear to that woman. If you need the videos, the video call, send me message, give me.